Okay guys, quiz time. So, a company that don't have any revenues but super fancy prototypes and rolling out their product earliest in 1 or 2 years, what would be the appropriate market cap? Is it A, $0 billion? Is it B, $2 billion? Is it C, $5 billion? Or is it D, astronomical $15 billion? You are absolutely right. It's the $15 billion. That's the market cap, which is a little bit ridiculous, of Nikola Stock. So let's dive into it. Okay. So where do I even start? Maybe with our today's sponsor, which, yes, you know, I don't have any sponsors because I think that the advertising that you're seeing on these videos should be enough that you should be bothered with, okay? But anyway, I having a great community out there, so if you press the join button below all my videos, you can get access to a fantastic community. You can support the channel, or you can have even one-on-one mentorship with me, so check it out, the join button below all my videos. But before I'm going into this, I would like to go into Nikola Stock, because Nikola Stock is the big, maybe alternative to Tesla, right? All of those people who thought that Tesla is a great car company, well, they got educated that Tesla is much more. And it seems that this is the motto of Nikola, right? They are not only a car company, they are also a semi-truck company. But they are not only a EV company, they are also a hydrogen company. And wait, they're not only a ground transportation company, they're also a water transportation company with electronic jet skis. And not only that, if you still want to have more, then Nikola has covered you within a potential electric ATV. So as you can see, the plans of Nikola are huge. Now let's start with the recent crash. I mean, the stock, after the IPO, they had the merger, the brand new trend that is going on, that they merged with an investment company, a hedge fund that actually has this shell company, and they merged, and there directly Nikola went public. So as you can see, from the 27th of February until the 8th of June, this stock went up 666%. Not only this is the number of the devil, but also it became a 50% crash till now. Why? Well, I can tell you, because the market cap was at $30 billion. And as you might know from the quiz, it's absolutely insane, you know, that this company that can show us so many, you know, really hard facts are actually, you know, doing so great on the stock market. But, you know, the stock market is currently anyway crazy in 2020, so why not, right? People have this vision for those companies to become huge players. But the risk about that is really that you get tapped into this FOMO, this speculation, this euphoria on the market, and then gets really punished when the stock goes down 40, 50, 60%, guys, okay? So actually, you know, talking about Nikola, there is the recent Q2 that I would like to analyze with you. So let's dive into the Q2 numbers and $36,000 of revenue for Nikola Stock. So this is the website of Nikola, and to get the Q2 earnings, you have to go to the investor side of the website, obviously. And once, we already on it. Okay, so view releases, this must be then the Q2, let me see. Okay, so this is the Q2 release, and you know, you see already that the company don't have that much news, right? So they have to obviously mention a couple of very normal or very standard things like, okay, the merger was completed, the global manufacturing head and Nikola Energy Company president added to the world-class team, then the Nikola manufacturing facility build out continues in Ulm, which actually, by the way, this is still like a very, very, very early stage, okay? I have seen videos, maybe I will show them here picture in picture, that this is still, a piece of land only, right? This has nothing to do with the speed like Tesla is building their facilities. And also there's breaking ground in Arizona. I guess that's the same thing. And, other than that, they are saying that they have obviously now a lot of cash, because the overall come together and merger always gives the company a little cash to work. So this is obviously positive. And other than that, the funny thing is that they didn't make or almost didn't make any revenue. Okay, so actually I don't know if this is mentioned here, but the stock actually went down approximately 17%. Okay, so I cannot even find anything if I look for revenue. Okay, this is fantastic, guys. Let me see if sales, maybe they call it. Also, there's nothing about sales in this Q2 earnings. Anyway, so they are saying other business highlights are the signed and purchase order with Neil. This was obviously a positive thing. So this is a good step, a positive step for the further business of Nikola. Then Nikola 3 production test unit are on the way. So okay, this is kind of construction news. Other than that, I'm quite sad, because obviously it's the company is making a loss of like $90 million, but there's not much to show yet. Okay, so I'm actually quite scared for those people that are already in the so high in valuation, that I think once it kicks some investors that there's so much way to produce and come to a final product, that they will start to kick this stock out of their portfolios, and then we will see quite of a drop in valuation for sure, guys. Okay, so the highlight, obviously, also here they are saying that they have some big guys here from Tesla, and Tesla Mark oversaw the design and development of the innovative Model S and X. So this is obviously something that they wanted to put inside to sound, making steps forward, right? But I actually see that is this the manufacturing facility? Okay, so maybe this is the manufacturing facility in Germany that is a hall right now, and the one in Arizona is a piece of land. Anyway, you will see some videos, or you saw some videos over there already. So yeah, and then obviously they are saying that the health crisis was a little bit of a bit of pressuring on the company. But other than that, it's nice to put all those great numbers inside, right? Development and design of a 900 million greenfield facility and so on. But they have lot to prove. I think that the $15 billion market cap price tag is way overvalued, right? If I see companies like Space or other companies, then I'm surely more convinced that this is a more appropriate price tag. But 15 billion for actually everything in process right now is a big price tag that you pay. Anyway, let's dive into the next topic. So what is the conclusion of this video? So for once, I hope you got a little bit entertained. I hope I could take you for 10 minutes of a fantastic entertainment right here at my channel. If you like it, leave a like, and maybe you are not subscribed. Maybe you are joining to this 50% of people that are subscribed to my channel and watching it on a regular basis. I would be happy if you are a subscriber, and maybe the membership is something for you. But Nikola will be sometimes in the media or other YouTubers very much disassembled, okay? Fraud, marketing company, concept company, whatever you call them. But I think that you should understand that everything is possible on there, okay, on the stock market. So As it crazy as it sounds, and I think the probability is quite low at this point, because 80% of all startups are failing, so the statistic is not playing a good game with Nikola. But if you are thinking about it, they are raising now a hell of money. Okay, they are outsourcing the very difficult parts of manufacturing and so on. Why not? Can they be successful, maybe $100 or $150 billion company, right? And this would be like a 10x stock from now on, if they really make okay products, and the market of EV is huge, and they will gather some of the market. And they will just be responsible for designing, developing, obviously having, a very, very low profit margin if they outsource. But it's not set in stone that this company will be not successful, guys, okay? So I would like to remind you that everything is possible on the stock market. Though I'm not an investor into a $15 billion company if they just have prototypes, okay, or concept, or nice presentations, right? Or the chairman Travis is a fantastic salesman, right? I don't know. It's not something that I feel comfortable to invest now. So let me know in the comments if you are investing, because I would love to hear from you. If you are an investor, let me know in the comments below why you are investing in Nikola. I would be super happy to know what is your reasoning, because I feel if I weight the good things and the possibilities that this could be a success, and the negative sides that they have a lot of to prove, the products are not 10 times better than the competition, that they having too big of a portfolio with different technologies but also different products, and then also that it's super hard to go through all these big expectations that a $15 billion company has, right? They have zero revenue, so they need to justify this big valuation. So I'm super, super happy to see the further growth or, crash of Nikola. I'm not investing. Let me know in the comments what you are doing.